Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you sign out of your Apple ID, how do you change your phone number on an iPhone. So first of all, we have this settings tab on our iPhone. We're going to press on that, and the first option you see, the first thing you see on the settings tab is your Apple ID's badge. You're going to press on that. And now if you want to change your Apple ID, all you need to do is go to the bottom and you can press the sign out button. What this will do is they're going to ask you for your Apple ID password, and you can go ahead and enter your password, and it's gonna delete all the photos that are synced onto this iPhone from your Apple ID. And once you're done with that, you can relog in with a different Apple ID, and then you can sync that Apple ID's data onto this iPhone. So I'm gonna press back because I don't want to do that. And the next thing I wanted to talk about here was how do you change your phone number on an iPhone. So you can press this option. Now I can just go right into it and teach you everything, but I'm not trying to reveal my phone number, so I'm avoiding that. But all you need to do is you can go into this page that says this button that says name, phone numbers and email, and once you go in there should be a edit button, and you can press that and you can change your phone number, and that will also change where you receive your iMessages. So that is, I think, all we needed to talk about on this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, leave them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.